Hi everyone. Just been a bit busy at work lately, so I thought I'd give you a short video of some of the tools I've inherited over the years from my grandparents, my grandfathers mostly. I'll start with these bigger hand saws here. I've got two Shirley and Dietrich. I can't quite tell where they are, but it looks like they're made in Ontario. I can't find a year on them or anything. This one looks like it says number 52. Number 52 right there. And then I've got a warranted Superior. It's funny, it looks like most tool makers over the years have favored right-handed people, and I think that's because the emblems on I guess it would be the left side of the saw, so you're always looking at it when you're cutting. But we got like it looks like more of a finishing saw, maybe a ripping saw, and then more looks like a cross cut, and then this warranted Superior. They look like they need some attention, but then I've got an old brace here. I can't see any markings on this one. This one is Rapid, made in England. It looks like it might be missing a part here, so we'll do a bit more research on that. I don't have any of the bits, unfortunately, for it. I got a nice keyhole saw here. I'm not sure of the emblem there. If you guys know, let me know. And this I don't know what this one is. It's just a generic saw, but it's got, maybe it's like for landscaping, but it might be woodworking because it's got the two blades. Neat little saw. Being a journeyman carpenter, you think I'd know what this saw was called, but sorry, I don't. And then here we've got a nice little hatchet. I did see a marking on it somewhere. Yeah, there it is. You probably won't be able to see it, but it looks like it says Plumb. Plumb. P-L-U-M-B. It looks all original. It's been well used. Looks like the original handle. And then this guy just looks like something that one of my grandparents probably bought down at Beaver Lumber or kind of a store like that. I don't think it's anything too special. And then we've got a very antiquated ball peen hammer. Sure like to know what some of these tools have built over the years. And then here I've got it's an Anchor number 6 plane, sorry. I think I need to soak it in a solution. It looks like it's been getting I don't know, motor oil or something dripping all over it, because I gotta hold it down here, it's pretty stiff. Motor oil, or I don't know, maybe molasses. But It seems to be all original. Doesn't look like it's been cannibalized or anything. Okay, and then I'll show you my favorite one, I think, out of all these tools. And I think this was my great grandfather's hand plane, which he brought over from England. I'll have to ask my mother again. But it's pretty neat. I should have got the tripod, but slowly take it apart for you. So there's the wedge, and then here's your frog and your blade. I don't know if that's original, but it looks like it's kind of out of a part from one of these newer type hand planes, but yeah, maybe it is all original. I don't know. I do know it was brought over when they came to Canada. So I've actually got an old I can't remember the name of it. It looks like a harp, but it's on a board. I'll show you that in another video, but let me know if you guys know anything about these tools other than I, but this is my favorite. I'll probably maybe give it a cleaning. I don't want to really restore it or anything, but it's pretty neat, I think. It definitely looks like it was handmade. I'm not sure. It looks maybe like there was a handle here at one time, or not. I don't know. But anyways, I hope you like my little video about stuff I've been given by my parents from their parents and grandparents. So we'll see you on the next video. And hello to the new subscribers out there. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you on the next one.